We got our conference in the month of June. 26, 27, 28.
Sure.
State infectious disease chapter.
Great news.
You have to come and you have to get all the precautions.
Very great, very great. Yeah.
ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸಮೇತ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಾಸನ್ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
No, see, Dinesh and Kumar, Hassan is just like the second house for all of us in Bangalore. The great temples, other things, so many things are there. I think the whole Bangalore should be there on that day for your conference.
And all
I
the
will
state
request everybody all over Karnataka to come and visit the Hassan and have the great academics, great other things, entertainment, everything will be there. Sure. Congratulations and wish all the best for your conference.
Thank you. We'll meet on June 26 to 28.
Sure, 100%.
Thank you.
Sure.